Welcome to JC Wealth Solution, your guide to smart investing strategies that lead to financial success. Today, we embark on an exploration of a captivating opportunity: vacation rental investing. Is it truly a lucrative niche or just a fleeting trend? Join us as we unravel the mysteries and uncover the potential of this dynamic investment avenue. 1. The rise of vacation rentals heading from quaint beach houses to luxurious city pads. The evolution of vacation rentals have undergone a remarkable transformation from simple beach houses to opulent city pads. We'll trace the evolution of this industry and examine why it's gaining traction among investors seeking superior returns compared to traditional real estate investments. The Airbnb effect. Disrupting the hospitality landscape, the advent of platforms like Airbnb has revolutionized how people travel, opening up new opportunities for property owners. We'll delve into the Airbnb effect and its profound impact on the hospitality landscape, making vacation rental investing more accessible and lucrative than ever before. 2. The appeal of vacation rental investing heading passive income paradise. Earning while you sleep. One of the most enticing aspects of vacation rental investing is the promise of passive income. We'll explore how owning a vacation rental property can provide a steady stream of cash flow, allowing you to earn money while you sleep and build long-term wealth. Balancing personal enjoyment with profit maximization. While profitability is paramount, many investors also derive personal enjoyment from their vacation rental properties. We'll discuss how to strike the right balance between maximizing profits and creating memorable experiences for guests, ensuring both financial success and personal fulfillment. 3. Navigating challenges and risks. Beyond the initial investment, unveiling hidden costs. Vacation rental investing presents its own set of challenges, including hidden costs that extend beyond the initial investment. From property management fees to maintenance expenses, we'll shed light on the financial implications of owning a vacation rental property. Mitigating risks. Navigating the legal landscape of vacation rentals can be complex, with regulations varying from one location to another. We'll provide insights into common legal pitfalls and offer strategies to ensure compliance with local laws, safeguarding your investment from potential risks. 4. Strategies for success heading location. Identifying profitable niches. Selecting the right location is paramount to the success of your vacation rental investment. We'll discuss how to identify profitable niches, whether it's a bustling urban hub, a serene beachfront retreat, or something in between, ensuring maximum returns on your investment. Marketing magic. Attracting guests and maximizing occupancy. Effective marketing is essential for attracting guests and maximizing occupancy rates for your vacation rental property. We'll share strategies for leveraging social media, optimizing listings, and delivering exceptional guest experiences to keep bookings flowing and profits soaring. 5. Case studies and success stories heading from investor to host. Real-life success stories. There's no substitute for real-life success stories to inspire confidence. We'll showcase case studies of investors who've transformed their vacation rental properties into lucrative income streams, highlighting their strategies, challenges, and triumphs along the way. Learning from mistakes. Avoiding common pitfalls. Learning from the mistakes of others can save you time, money, and frustration. We'll analyze common pitfalls in vacation rental investing and provide actionable tips to help you steer clear of costly missteps on your journey to financial success. Conclusion. As we draw the curtains on our exploration of vacation rental investing, it's evident that this niche offers abundant opportunities for savvy investors. From generating passive income to curating unforgettable guest experiences, the potential rewards are substantial. However, success in vacation rental investing requires careful planning, thorough research, and a commitment to ongoing learning. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newcomer to the world of real estate, vacation rental investing could be your ticket to financial freedom and adventure. Thank you for joining us at JC Wealth Solution, where wealth meets wisdom. Until next time, happy investing.